Hello, my name is Gudrun Sageda. I'm Austrian. I'm based in Vienna, and I have the big honor to present the test-based nutrition concept of the Scandinavian Swedish company of Zinzino to you. Why shall I do that? Maybe you take supplements and you have been wondering if these supplements really work, if you really need them, even. So that's really a good question. And this is why Zinzino takes the guesswork out and brings in test based nutrition. Right now, nowadays, we're handling with different health issues. It's the disbalance of fatty acids having an impact on our inflammation processes, on the production of hormones, but also on the fluidity of our cell membranes. The second big topic is the lack of vitamin D, which can cause depressions, osteoporosis, tiredness, and fatigue, but it also weakens our immune system. And the third big topic is the high blood sugar. Prediabetes type 2, I can tell you 38% of US adults are suffering already from prediabetes. It's also insulin resistance and, in general, overweight and obesity. So, what is exactly the disbalance of fatty acids? Let's have a closer look. We need, so therefore we call them essential, we need these fatty acids. Omega 6 and omega 3 have very important roles in our body for hormone production for the cell membrane fluidity, and for starting and then stopping the inflammation processes. Our body is made for a ratio of 1 to 1. But nowadays, we have the big tendency to have a rate for about 40 and higher to 1, omega 6 to omega 3. Maybe you ask yourself now, but how can you measure that? It's very easy. It's done with a dry blood spot test. You just prick your finger to drop two blood drops on a piece of this special paper, test paper, and then you send it anonymously to a laboratory in Norway. They do this analysis, and after 2 weeks approximately, you will get your test result on a website where you can have a look at lots of details. It's about 22 pages with lots of description, information about your nutrition, the recommendations specialized on your analysis. So it's really easy to understand, and this will give you the idea if your actual right now intaking omega-3 product really works or not, if you should switch to something that really works. And yeah, why should it work? Because especially the cell membrane fluidities has a big impact of on the fact if you can really absorb what you're eating, and if the waste inside the cells can also be uh, brought out of the cell. So, what could bring you back to balance? And here we have a big variety of water soluble, fish oil based, algae based, so vegan version, soft gel capsules, anyhow you prefer to take it. The most important thing, we focus on a dosage per kilo body weight, and all our ingredients are completely natural. Very, very important. In the United States, we are allowed to give these health benefits. You can go and read through all of them. So, in general, you can say it's good for the immune function, for the brain, and for the heart function. But there are also different aspects, as, for example, the eye function in general, the circulation, muscle function, cell function, and so on and so on. So, omega 3 increase has a big impact on your general health. The second topic, the lack of vitamin D. It's also the question that you should ask yourself, do you really have to supplement it? We recommend that you do a vitamin D test every 3 to 4 months. Why? because it depends on different factors. It depends also on the geographic part where you are living. There are lots of areas, even me in Austria, we have this problem, where you don't have enough sun. So the impact of the sun on your skin is not important enough to produce vitamin D through your skin. So you should consume more vitamin D through supplements or through your nutrition. But there's also another impact concerning your skin color, your sunscreen that you're using, if you're pregnant or not, the age, and of course also the weight. So you really have to check your vitamin D level regularly. As I told you, you can also supplement with through nutrition or a product, but it's really difficult to do. You should really eat tons. So really big quantities of, for example, liver or eggs or sardines or portobello mushrooms. I think that's really hard to do. So the easier part will be to test and then to supplement. And again, the laboratory who examines, who analyzes the vitamin D test is based in Norway, in Oslo. It's anonymous, so you can do it at home. It's really quick and easy. And again, with 2 blood drops, you have this result. After 2 weeks, approximately, you will find out your vitamin D level. Again, it's easy to read. It's self-explaining. Um, the product that I would recommend to you is a product. It's a vitamin D plus magnesium. And why this combination? Normally, it's vitamin K and vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for the cell division. I told you already, for the absorption also of calcium and phosphor. And we really need the magnesium to improve the reactivity of the vitamin D. Magnesium, most of the people also, they have a lack of magnesium, and it's also good for the bones, for the immune system, for the teeth, and also for the muscles. So the combination of those two, that's really the perfect thing to do. So the vitamin D test and the vitamin D product, Shine, they support your immune system. The magnesium that it's inside, it's a broad spectrum, so it's a very rich sort of magnesium, naturally sourced. The product is vegan, so as you can see, it's made out of leeches, and yeah, it's an all-natural product. And then a sentence that I hear very often: sugar. I almost eat no sugar. But if you have a closer look on different products that you're eating, have a look if there isn't some kind of cane sugar or maple syrup or any other source of sugar in the product. You can test your long blood sugar level with the so-called HbA1c test. Again, it's easy to be done at home. You don't have to go to the doctor. And there is a specialty. There is some kind of lifestyle style analysis going along with it, with 24 questions. It's quick and easy to be done, but it will give you an overview about your actual situation. So on the right side here, you see you get an overall result, like here, 88% of your health level. You also have the long-term blood sugar as a quantity, but you will also have this lifestyle analysis where you get these detailed results. If you should do more exercise, more weightlifting, what you should improve in your daily diet. It's the support of your gut, of your metabolic system, the immune, the brain, the bones and joints. So it's really an overall health score that will help you really to have a detailed look into the different areas, the different parts of your body, to really be in a good shape. Yeah, so honestly speaking, stop with guess-based supplementation and go test-based. For further information, please contact the person who sent you this video, and he or she will be there for you to answer more questions and to help you with a good selection with your choice of the products. Thank you so much. See you.